benefit niya? Unang-una, AI will not sleep. So, 24/7 active yung phone number. Pangalawa, hindi mo na kailangan nung receptionist, di ba? Receptionist, yung call assistant, sales assistant na magre-receive ng mga call. So it means the business can save with their operation cost. Aside from that, if ever naman na gusto nyo pa din, na tao pa din yung magre-receive ng call, the AI can qualify. Pwede nilang i-qualify pwede lang ma-qualify yung mga pumapasok na call. If ever yung call gusto lang magtanong about the services, then AI can do it. Now, if kailangan ng emergency na sasagot or yun, gusto nilang makausap yung manager or business owner, so that is also doable by the AI. Pwede niyang i-transfer yung call dun sa personal number or business number nung business, di ba? So that's how good the voice AI agent ni Go High Level. So there's a lot of things that are updated since I've discussed voice AI like few months ago. But this time, mas maganda na siya, mas maganda, mas develop, and mas pulido na siya compared last time. And tonight, I'll also show you paano kayo makagawa nung demo, di ba? Paano kayo makagawa nung demo account or demo na voice AI agent. So, if you have a client na gusto nyong presentahan nung, voice AI na to, then you can do it. Like, pwede nyo silang sabihan na, can you call this phone number? I just want to demo the voice AI agent that I created inside my Go High Level account. So, diba? Pabida. So, para plus points. All right. So, are you excited to learn about voice AI today? Excited ba kayo? Yes, and si Sir Carl, and si G, super coach, and si Nard. Thank you, Nard. Sino ba? Tatlo lang ba? Ayan, si Ma'am Ann. Sino pa? Sino pa dyan? Meron akong i-ano later. Yes, coach. Meron akong i-share later. Meron din tayong custom GPT for voice AI para mas mabilis yung prompting. Yan, si Ian. Thank you. So, meron tayong GPT for voice AI para mabilis na yung prompting. Ayan, next naman. Okay, so let's start with saan ba ina-navigate si voice AI. So, for example, this is the sub-account. So, sa sub-account, punta ka sa AI agents. Now, if you click AI agents, andito yung voice, conversation, knowledge base, and content AI. So, andyan sila lahat, di ba? So, of course, for tonight, ang i-discuss natin is the voice AI. So, if you click voice AI, andito ka na sa pag-create ng agent. So, create tayo ng agent. And then, ayan, mapupunta tayo sa first page in creating your agent, which is yan, which is adding the AI agents. So, AI agents details, name nung AI agent. Let's say, for example, si Siri. Ayan, Siri. And then, business name. So, pwedeng sub-account niya. Pwede yung business ninyo. For example, let's do it for a local business. Local business, let's say, for example, emergency plumber, Dallas. Ayan, Dallas. So, emergency plumber, Dallas. So this businesses, nagra-run sila ng Google Ads, di ba? So, dito tayo. Ayan. So, let's say for example, for Sunny Service. So, this is the, meron ba silang booking calendar? You know, wala silang booking process. Yung mga sumali ng 30 days challenge, alam niyo na ang gagawin. So, ayan. So, si Sunny Service. So, let's do this. Punta tayo. Ayan. Sunny Service. Ayan. So, gagawin natin to ng ayan, Sunny Service and language since nasa Dallas to, English. And the voice na gagamitin, voice AI na gagamitin mo. So, let's say, maghahanap tayo. Let me know if naririnig nyo yung, yung sound. Let me check. Share siya. Yun. Submit lang natin. Ayan. So let me know if naririnig yung sound. So let's say for example, recommended ito si Apple.
I'm that hip chick that hangs out while you fold laundry. I might even fold along with you. Just ask nicely.
Loud and clear, coach. Loud and clear.
Loud and clear. Nice. Kayong pipili guys ha, maghanap tayo ng 5. So si Apple, ayun, thank you bro. Limar, brada. So, so si Apple yun. Pangalawa, another female, si Dakota. Ayan.
The 90s were fun because it was a time full of new trends, creativity, and pop culture.
Wow, nice. Pangalawa si Dakota. First is si Apple. And then, last natin sa babae, si Hope.
Okay, so this might sound silly, but I just got this weird sparkly feeling in my chest, and I think I'm actually falling in love.
Wow, falling in love. Okay, that's Hope. Dalawang lalaki naman. Si Donovan. This one.
Donovan's deep voice is the sound of articulate authority, but he also feels deeply and takes care of the people he loves.
Wow. So that's Donovan, Lassie, Christopher.
Chris McGuire here from Chicago. I turn complex ideas into clear, engaging stories, a voice for many situations. Let's bring your vision to life.
All right. So who do you think ang pipiliin natin? 1 si Apple, 2 si Dakota. Sino pa? Sige nga. Dakota, Hope. Who else? Sino yung pinaka Donovan, Dakota, Hope. So 3 kay Hope, 3 kay Dakota. So last one. Sino yung ano? Si Hope. Okay, si Hope na daw. Majority vote. Si Hope. Okay, Hope, where are you? This one.
Okay, so this might sound silly, but
Diba? Ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda
I
naman
just
ni Hope.
got this weird sparkly feeling in my chest, and I think I'm actually falling in love.
Wow, falling in love. All right. So time zone, let's say for example, gawin na lang natin legit. So time zone for anong place to? Hertz, Texas time zone. So daytime -5. -5. Yan, so -5. 1, 2, -5. 4, 5. So ano dapat daw? Central daytime. Central daytime. Central daytime. Okay. Ito, CDT. Meron pa ito. Dito na lang. Center. Okay na to. Yan. Tapos, agent's initial message. So, hey, you have reached, and then Sunny Services. Sunny Service, how can I help today? So this is the initial message ng agent. So that's good. Okay na tayo dyan. So as you can see here, the agents pick up all incoming call. So wala pa tayong option na si agent yung mag-outbound call. So for the voice AI, wala pang outbound call. So next natin to, ayan, next. And then dito na tayo sa agent's goal. Now, as you can see here, basic lang din naman yung kailangan niya. Select yung knowledge base, which means punta tayo dito sa knowledge base. Upload tayo. I-upload natin tong website, this one. Upload natin this website as well as the homepage. Yung homepage, di ba, as you can see, this is a subdomain. So, tatanggalin natin yung go. And let's see if, kung ayan, ito yung main website nila. So ito yung landing page. And then ito yung main website. So ito yung dalawang website na ititrain natin sa loob ng knowledge base. So knowledge base, create knowledge base. Lalagay natin sa ni service. And then description. So lagay natin ito, reliable HVAC plumbing service in Fort Worth, Texas. So copy-paste lang natin yung headline nila, yung offer nila. Ayan. Uy, balik tayo. Ayan. Copy-paste. Ayan. Ayun. So, create. Now, once created na yung knowledge BI, ito, sa any service, add tayo ng source. So, web crawler, kasi website yung ilalagay natin. And, pwedeng exact URL, yan, exact URL for this landing page, as well as, yan, another source na website ulit, web crawler. Yan, web crawler. Yan, na-try na. As you can see here, na-try na yung nilagay nating website. So, add tayo additional and then all URL in this domain. And all URL in this domain, tapos ito yung website, yung main website yung ilalagay natin. Yan. So, extract data, and then maghahanap yan ng mga relevant pages dun sa website. Ayun. So, let's wait na mag-crawl, i-crawl nung knowledge base, yung mga information about Sunny Service. Ano ba meron dito sa kanya? Meron siyang mga iba-ibang, di ba? Ang dami niyang mga iba-ibang pages. So, gusto natin na mabasa din ni Voice AI yung mga information ng business na to. Okay? Para mabilis lang yung training. Yan, nagfi-fetch pa siya ng mga pages. So, it will take few minutes para mag-run yung knowledge base. Ayan, meron ng isang page na na-crawl. So, balikan natin yan later. So, balik tayo dito sa agent goal. So, ang ilalagay natin dito, knowledge base is yung Sunny Service, itong knowledge base na to. So, hindi pa siya visible kasi nagsisave pa. So, next lang muna natin yan. And, yan. Para lumabas yung initial information. Yan, para lumabas yung initial na version pala. Yan, version ni Sunny Service na knowledge base. Ayan, so next, waiting lang. Tagal, no? Ayan, so here, basic plan and the phone number pool. Now, balik muna tayo dun sa agent goal sa second na so dito details to collect, kung ano yung gusto mong kolektahin dun sa inbound calls. So pwede kang magkolekta ng name and email at saka yung issue ng contact. Itong contacts issue, automatic na yan na sila na mismo, yung AI na mismo magde-detect kung ano yung issue ng contact, kung bakit siya tumatawag. So, AI na kaagad ang magde-detect for this. Now, after this one, ang sinasuggest ko talaga is to switch to advanced mode. Kasi dito sa advanced mode, mas marami kang flexibility. Diba? Mas maraming. So, more flexible in terms of updating and setting up your voice AI. So, dito, ayan, tingnan natin, hindi pa lumalabas yung knowledge base. So, switch to advanced mode. And then, dito naman, makikita mo na meron ng prompting. Ayan, meron ng prompt dyan sa taas, di ba? Yan yung prompt niya. Di ba? So, andito yung prompt. Babasahin natin yung default. Ito yung default na prompt. So, background info, you are Siri, a dedicated customer support specialist at Sunny Service. So again, Sunny Service is the HVAC and plumbing services in Fort Worth, Texas. So we are creating a voice AI for this business. Now, next part is your goal. Ano bang goal ni Siri? Gather contact information and if applicable, use the appropriate tool. Appropriate tool when the caller's query matches the configured tool trigger. And then the instruction for handling caller's inquiries. If the caller asks a question, check whether the question matches a tool trigger condition. Ano ba tong tool trigger condition? Dito sa baba, ayan. So may mga, pwede kang mag-set, ayan. Pwede kang mag-set ng actions that can trigger kung ano yung mga ginawa mo dito sa prompts. For example, pwede mong sabihin na if the caller is mad, if the caller would like to talk to a manager or the business owner, then do a call transfer. So pwedeng iset yung action na yun dito. So ilalagay natin yan later dito. So ito yung magiging the instruction for handling. And then number 1, number 2, if no tools are available or the question does not match a tool trigger condition, politely inform the caller that the team member will reach out. So technically guys, itong default na prompt, this is used for all of the use cases. So ginawa nila tong default prompt para magamit siya sa mga like 90 to 80% ng mga use cases ni Voice AI. Pero we all know na iba-iba yung purpose bakit tayo nag-set up ng Voice AI. It could be handling inquiries lang, FAQs lang, or gusto natin mag-set din ng appointment, or gusto natin ganto ganyan. So marami tayong gustong gawing goal for that Voice AI that sometimes etong default na prompt might not be enough, no? So with this, with the prompt na meron tayo na default, may nahanap tayong resource that can help us create a more specific and detailed prompting dito kay Voice AI. Right? So magagamit natin tong custom GPT na to. This is created by Nunu. So ang gagawin natin, click lang natin to, I am ready to start with what is the first step. So I am ready to start, what is the first step? Click lang natin yun. And then question number 1, bot identity or name. So ang nilagay natin, Siri. Diba? Siri. And then primary purpose. Ano bang purpose ni Siri? So we need to identify, kung ilalagay natin i-replace natin itong phone number na to ng phone number na gagamitin natin sa Voice AI, we need to identify kung ano yung gusto natin gawin for this. So for example, kapag tatawag sa phone number, it will schedule an appointment. Siguro that's our goal. That will be our goal, to schedule an appointment. So yan yung ilalagay natin sa custom GPT. So pwedeng answer FAQ and book an online appointment. Yan. So, personality. Number 3, personality and tone. So, ano ba yung tone na ginamit natin kanina for, sige, para para hindi na tayo babalik. Ito, friendly and bubbly. Friendly and bubbly. Ayan, copy-paste na lang natin yan. And then, core functions and task. So, task ni is to handle general inquiries and also support the caller if they want to book an appointment. Ayan. So that is our core function and task. So target audience. So, ang target audience natin for this is scroll down tayo, anyone who needs a reliable HVAC and plumbing service in Fort Worth, Texas. So, homeowners, pwede, homeowners or business owners, homeowners or business owners that needs a reliable plumbing service. Ayan. So, great. Reference materials. So, do you have a website? Yes. So, here's the ano ba tong tawag na itong isa? Torrent, okay. So, here's the landing page. Oy, wait lang. Here's the pages. Ayan. This one and itong main website. Ay, wala. Wait. Ayan. Okay, so number 7, operational guidelines. Are there specific call handling procedures, data collection, escalation protocols, or SMS triggers rule? So, ang gagawin natin for this is, ano ba yung gusto na escalation protocol. If the caller would like to talk to a person, yan, lagyan natin ng person or to a manager or business owner, we will transfer the call. Ayan. So, understood. So, yun yung number 8 naman, mode selection. Is it a sales, Q&A, na mode? Q&A and booking mode. Booking assistant. Ayan. Wait lang. So, ang sinasabi niya dito that qualifies Q&A with appointment booking link. Actually, hindi na natin kailangan ng appointment booking link kasi pwede nang directly mag-book ng appointment yung So, i-replace natin to. Ayan, yan nung siguro yung isang flow nitong na to. So, baka hindi pa sila na-update when they are creating this So that's one. I-check natin yan later sa prompt. And then question 9, any extra information, unique requirements, especially instruction. Before they set up the appointment, we need to get their email and name for the confirmation. Email, name, and phone number. Name and phone number for the SMS and email reminders. Email confirmation and reminders. Ayan. So, meron na tayong inputs that we will train to our voice AI. So, primary purpose and siya. So, ang pinakakailangan natin is the prompt. This one. Your Siri-friendly and bubbly voice AI bot designed to assist users with answering common HVAC and plumbing service questions. So, ika-copy-paste lang natin to. Ang i-remove lang natin itong part na to, guiding users through process of booking an appointment by collecting their contact details and collecting their contact details. I-remove natin tong sending calendar link kasi hindi na kailangan i-send yung calendar link, kundi si Siri na mismo ang magbubook ng appointment based on the calendar that you will connect sa agent na to. Ayan, so ang bilis na lang, 'di ba, guys? Sino dito na gumagawa ng voice, nakapag-try ng mag-set up ng voice AI or familiar sila? 'Di ba ang part na to medyo hassle? 'Di ba medyo hassle yung part na to? Do you agree with that? So ang gagawin natin sa prompt, remove lang natin yung default, ilalagay natin yung bago. So dito, calendar link. Ayan. So collecting their contact information, maintain professional focus efficiency while representing Sunny service ethos. So, yan. Your mission, vision, goals. Yan. So, matching triggers. If the caller questions align with configured workflows, i-remove natin to. Matching trigger. Ayan. Remove natin yan if they ask to speak to a manager. Ayan. Keep responses with when no match exists, politely inform the caller. Reassure them follow-up will be prompt. Contact information. Avoid assumptions and FAQs. And absolutely, I can help you collect your name, number to set up your appointment right now. Set up your appointment right now. And then, what areas do you serve? And Tarrant County. And then, so this is, kahit dyan na lang. Yan, main website na lang. So as you can see, mas napapadali yung prompting natin because we have this tool. Right? Mas napapadali siya. And then, set up natin yung action because we want to book appointment. And book appointment. So, select tayo ng calendar. So, hanapin. And okay na yung source natin. I-connect na natin to later. So, ang daming pages, di ba? So, ang daming pages na binasa. Ang gusto lang natin ito. And then, siguro, and kahit lang yan lang muna. Meron bang contact us? Privacy request. Walang contact us na na page. And guarantees, lalagay natin yan. Reviews, sige, lagay natin yan. Service area, ito, contact us. So, okay na yan, what to expect. Pwede din. About company, yes, lalagay din natin. Special offers, financing. So, it's all good. Try natin yung bot and then nagpa-process na yung ibang pages. So, balik na tayo dun sa, ayan. So, meron na tayong Sunny service na knowledge base. And then, balik na tayo dito sa calendar. So, create tayo ng calendar for this Sunny service calendar. So, ito yung calendar that we will be in here. Schedule online booking. So, round robin and then online booking calendar. Yan, tapos assign lang natin ayan tapos so, lalagyan lang natin ng ganyan. Domain is taken, lagyan lang natin ng numbers. And then, example, 30 minutes lang, and then 8 to 5 p.m. And then, let's say for example, yung time zone. Importante yung time zone. The time zone. Okay. So, yung time zone based on, ano pala siya? based on the tapos ilalagay na natin yung Google Meet. Ayan, Google Meet kasi ayan. Tapos availability and then so lagay lang natin yung appointment confirmation. Ayan, appointment confirmation for contact and first name. Okay na yan. Okay na yun muna yan for now. So pwede nyo tong gawin. Pwede nyo tong gawin sa sa workflow. Of course, di ba? Appointment confirmation reminder and also the no-show na workflow. So for now, ito i-set lang natin siya. Madalian lang dito sa back-end ng calendar. So all good tayo sa calendar. So let's use that. Ayan. So hindi pa siya nalabas. So ang gagawin natin is to click next. Oo, di ba? Pwede mong i-offer sa kanila after. And then, balik muna tayo kanina. Ayan, balik lang tayo. Agent list, Siri, edit. And then, okay. So, yung knowledge base, yung Sunny service. Ayan, it's good. Action is to book appointment. The online booking calendar. So, days of offering dates. So 3 days yung isasuggest ni Siri, 3 din yung appointment slots, and then 3 hours between slots. So for now, you can keep this 333. Okay na yan, goods na yan. Then save natin siya. Okay, so once save, ayun, lumabas na siya dito. So extract email for appointment booking. So aside from email, ayan. So maganda na meron ng email. So magkukuha din yan nung other details like name. Kasi nilagay natin siya dito sa prompt. Di ba? Nilagay natin siya sa prompt na full name, email, and phone number. So dito, meron pang after call. Pwede ka pang gumawa ng action after the call. For example, gusto mo silang sendan nung thank you message, di ba? So pwede mo siyang gawin through SMS or through email. Pero kailangan mo lang talaga kunin yung email address tsaka phone number nila. So for now, skip lang muna natin yung after the call para stick tayo dun sa process na naiisip natin. And also, if you want, you can also trigger a workflow if na-complete na yung call. So gusto mong i-trigger yung nurturing emails after the call, then you can do it from here. Ayan, select ka ng workflow. So pwede siyang ganon. And then receive email notification post-call completions. So it could be all user, all admins, or specific users. So if you're all good with that, ayan, knowledge base lang muna, ayan, upload natin, and then si-save. So once save, ayan, after ma-save siya, dito na tayo sa exciting part. Now, we will test we will test this one. Etong, etong bot natin. Alright? So, select the phone number to call from, and then enter the number to receive the call. Ayan. Yung meron pang free. Merong free na 10 minutes left today. So, merong free na 10 minuto. So, phone availability. So, yung phone number, eto. Di ba, create na natin yung voice AI? Yung voice AI agent. The next thing that we need to do is to get a phone number. So, kailangan mong bumili ng phone number kay Go High Level para yun yung magiging phone number ng AI. Bali, dun mo i-connect yung AI, voice AI agent. So here, nakabili na ako ng phone number. Di ba? Nilagyan ko pa ng G. So, paano ba bumili ng phone number kay JHL? So, add phone number, and I suggest na gamit lang muna ng United States kasi hindi nyo din naman magagamit yung voice AI sa Philippines kasi masyadong mahal kung Philippines na phone number. So, United States phone number para $1 lang, and then pwede kayong pumili if it's a local phone number or and scroll down, or ay toll-free. Regardless kung saan sa dalawa, it can still work dun sa voice AI. Ayan. So, pwedeng toll-free para, $2 nga lang siya. It depends kung ano yung gusto mo. Local pala yung binili ko. So, it's up to you kung ano yung phone number. And then, once ma-set up na yung phone number, click mo tong 3 dots and then edit configuration. So, here, may mga options. So, pangalan ng phone number, lagay natin Siri AI's phone number, then forward calls to kung gusto mo, i-forward yung call, pero hindi magma-make sense yung voice AI kung i-forward mo siya. So, skip muna tong part na to. And then, whisper message, incoming call, timeout, outgoing call. So, okay tayo for that. Let's say okay na tayo for that. So, save natin. And then, once save, balik tayo dun sa voice AI agent. So, balik tayo, agent list, and then etong si Siri, di ba? Siri. So, once maklik na si Siri, we need to go to phone availability and then piliin yung phone number na binili natin. Right? So, yun yung phone number na binili natin. And you can see here, enable AI agent as a backup to the phone number pool. So AI agent will answer the call if the user or call forwarding number doesn't respond. Ito yung kagandahan niya, guys. If there are scenario na gusto ni business owner, example, yung business hours nila is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, meron silang receptionist, meron silang nagre-respond ng call na tao, mas alam yung business, mas magaling sa sales. Yun na yung nagiging salesperson nila for the past 5 years, maganda yung performance. So, ayaw nilang palitan yon, of course, ng AI. So, ang pwede mong gagawin mong si AI agent as the backup. If ever na merong tatawag outside the working hours. Imagine, merong nagkaroon ng emergency plumbing na need around 9 p.m. So that is outside business hours. So hindi na marireceive nung sales agent nila yon, di ba? So it means kung walang AI agent, that would be a loss of potential customer. So since it is working 24/7, kahit natutulog ka, they will still receive the call. It's lahat ng tumatawag dun sa website ninyo, marireceive ng AI agent. And in such time, kapag working hours na, si sales agent naman, yung magre-receive ng call. So how good is that? Na meron kang 24/7 available na phone number. So lahat ng leads na pumapasok sa inyo, especially if you are running ads, nagbabayad ka, di ba? So anytime merong pumapasok na leads dyan. So if you are running ads, merong pumapasok na leads, hindi sila masasayang. Kasi meron at merong sasagot. It's either the sales agent or the voice AI. Right? So that's very, very good pain point na pwede nyong ibenta. And if ever, kung gusto nyo talagang hakutin lahat, pwede nyong sabihin na they don't need a sales agent anymore kasi meron ng voice AI na magre-receive ng call. So it will be cost-effective for their business. And of course, there are a lot of advantages ng voice AI. Di ba? Coach, kahit sabay-sabay silang tumawag, okay lang. Yan yung kagandahan ni voice AI. Kapag 2, 3 yung sabay-sabay na tumawag, hindi siya magre-ring hindi siya katulad nung normal na mag-hang up kasi meron pang ka-call. Hindi siya ganoon. Sasagutin, multitasker yung voice AI. Sasagutin niya. So for this setup, hindi natin gagawing backup si Voice AI. Bali, siya talaga. Siya talaga yung magiging reception. Siya talaga magre-receive ng lahat ng calls. So turn off natin to and then pwede kang mag-set ng working hours for the agent. So example, gusto mo lang na turn on yung AI agent ng 5 to 9, di ba? Parang ganun, parang 5 to 9 p.m. So kung depende sa iyo, pero as of now, gusto nating working siya 24/7. So save natin yan. And then, once done, maapektuhan yung BPO. Yeah, that's right. That's really true. So, select the number to call from. So, ito yung phone number. As you can see here, pareha sila. Di ba? Pareha sila at saka dito. So, yan yung phone number na magto-turn on yung voice AI. Tapos, enter the number that will receive the call. So para makabili kayo ng US phone number, pwedeng um pwede siyang pwede kayong wala na palang Skype. So ito yung ginagamit ko. Search niyo yung Dingtone. Dingtone. Ayan, Dingtone. So this is the phone get niyo siya sa App Store or Google Store. Google Play Store. And then, once meron na kayong Dingtone, you can also buy a phone number, a US phone number. Or, if gusto nyo talaga, pwede kayong bumili ng dalawang phone number. Or pwede, sabihan ninyo yung isa nyong kasama, other sa Champ na, Champ, is it okay gamitin ko yung phone number sa sub-account mo? Let's try that. Try natin yan. So sub-account, meron akong biniling phone number for other, ito, ginagamit nung agency namin. Ayan. So ito na lang yung phone number na gagamitin ko. Phone numbers. Ay, wala. Wait. Ito, meron pala. Ang dami. Ang kagandahan pa, ito, another very, very good thing. Ang kagandahan pa ng voice AI, as long as hindi kayo hindi kayo uh, automated na SMS, as long as hindi kayo mag-automate ng SMS, you don't need to register sa A2P or to verify. You don't need an A2P verification kapag bibili kayo ng phone number kahit nasa Philippines kayo. 'Di ba? So it means kapag i-demo mo siya dun sa potential client mo, hindi siya hassle sa part mo na kailangan mo pang i-verify yung phone number, kailangan mo ng LLC, kailangan mo ng US business information. So hindi mo na kailangan 'yon kasi they don't need an A2P for voice AI. I think dadating yung panahon na kailangan na ng A2P yung voice AI, pero as of now wala pa. Wala pang regulation for that kasi bagong-bago pa yung feature. So that's really good. So ito yung gagamitin nating phone number and then ite-test natin siya. Yan. So plus and re-remove lang natin yung dash sign. Yun. So space. Ayan. So call me. All right, ite-test na natin. Are you ready? Ready na ba kayo to test this phone number? I just want to make sure na attentive lahat, na nasa screen lahat. Masasayang, di ba guys? Ano tayo? GG, okay. So yan ang sinabi dun sa AI Summit, ire-replace na ng AI yung mga BPO. Baka ito din siguro yung reason why nagbigay ng tax sa mga freelancers. Totoo. Ready? Okay, let's do this. Call me. Let me know if you can hear the ha. Wait lang. Parang hindi ata pwede. Kailangan natang mobile. So let's do this. Mobile natin tatawagan. Okay, try ko sa mobile muna guys. Wait lang. Digit funnel genie. Ayan. Tapos yung John V Media. Yan. Locations and then phone. Ito, tatawagan ko na. Wag na lang dito sa test agent. I'm not sure about enter the phone number to receive the call. Okay, sige. Isa pa, one more. One more. So, I'm here. Andito na yung call dialer ko sa JHL. And let's see if ma-receive natin. Wait lang. There's one thing I need to do. Phone numbers. Kailangan mag-ring siya sa ano. Cancel muna. Kailangan mag-ring siya sa ito. So, edit. And then, forwards call kaya pala. Nag-forward call. So, ring sa akin. Ayan. Kailangan mag-ring siya sa akin. Ito, very important to. Ring incoming calls to selected user. Ayan. Tapos, remove natin yung forward calls to. Kaya pala. So, remove natin yun. And then, let's go to my staff. Or my profile. My profile pala. And then, make sure na naka-turn on yung ito. Asan yung part na, wait lang. Call, this one. So, mobile app, check natin yung mobile app para mag-ano siya sa mobile app. Default channels for all ring and mobile app as well. IVR and mobile app as well. So, isi-save na para yan, inbound number, ito JV's number. So, i-assign natin yung phone number natin na binili na andito sa ibang sub-account.
Gumagana daw sa iba, coach. May tumatawag daw, may gumagana daw. Hindi ko lang alam, sabi sa chat.
Gumana sa Globe.
Tinawagan niya.
UAE.
Gumagana siya.
Wow. Interesting. Sige, try natin. Pero mahal to kasi roaming number to, di ba?
Mayaman, grabe si Jennifer. Grabe.
Eto, meron dalawa. 8 hours. Sige, gumagana. Actually, gagana siya. Yung testing lang yung ano natin, yung problema. So, tatawagan ko na lang using my dingtone. Eto. Bumili kasi ako ng phone number sa US. And then, ginagamit ko siya. So, eto na lang yung phone number natin sa US. Ito. So, ang number natin is +1 or kahit, 608 42 420 4819. And 608-420-4819. So this one, I hope all of you can hear it. So,
please wait while we connect your phone call. This call will be recorded for quality purposes.
rinig nyo ba? Rinig nyo ba?
Yes, coach. Yes, coach. Yes, coach.
Hey, you have reached Sunny Service. How can I help you today?
I just want to ask something about your services. So, do you also cater issues about kitchen plumbing?
Yes, we do handle kitchen plumbing issues, whether it's a leaky faucet or a clogged drain. Our licensed technicians are ready to help. Do you need assistance with something specific in your kitchen?
Yeah. So right now, the water in my kitchen is not draining well. So it's quite flooding in our floor. So can you help me with that?
Oh no, that sounds frustrating. We can definitely help with that. Since it seems urgent, would you like me to transfer your call to the technician for immediate assistance?
Uh, yeah, or we can also do like I can book a call with you guys for a consultation, and then you can visit my home.
Got it. Let's get you set up for a consultation and home visit. First, I'll need your full name, email, and phone number to schedule the appointment.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah, so my name is JV.
Thanks, Jake. Could you also provide your email address and phone number?
Email address is jv@gmail.com.
Could you please spell out your full email address for me?
Yeah, sure. Okay, sure. So
Go
JV, J letter J, V, RELAMPAGO @gmail.com.
Thanks, Jake. Just to confirm, your email is jvrelampago@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Now, could you please provide your phone number?
Phone number is with this one that I'm calling.
Go ahead and share your phone number when you're ready.
Okay, sure. So it's 908-300-3225.
Got it. Your phone number is 908-332-25. Let's get your appointment scheduled. Would you like to book a consultation for Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday?
I would like to do it on Tuesday.
Awesome. On Tuesday, we have slots available at 12 a.m., 3 a.m., and 7 p.m. Which time works best for you?
Let's do 3 a.m.
All right. Let me book your appointment for 3 a.m. on Tuesday. One moment, please. Your appointment is all set for 3 a.m. on Tuesday, July 8th. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Jake. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Bye.
Take care, Jake. Goodbye.
Okay. Wow, can you see it? Bakit Jake yung sinabi niya? Pero nakuha niya yung ano details. This one, di ba? JV. Click natin kung merong appointment confirmation. Tama din yung email. Invalid lang kasi hindi yung totoong email, di ba? Pero merong appointment confirmation. And appointment confirmation to. Can you, di ba? Ang galing, di ba? Ang galing.
Napakaangas. Grabe.
Tapos yung ano din ni Hope, ang voice ni Hope na you will not really know directly na AI siya, 'di ba? Ayun, Veronica. 'Di ba? Ang galing, kinabahan ka. Oo. No, 3 a.m. siya kasi sinet natin na Philippine time zone. Kaya meron siyang sinabi na Sunday kasi Philippine time zone yung calendar. So nalito siya. Pero kung parehas yun ng time zone, it will not translate or automatic na uh, iibahin, i-convert yung time zone. Kasi yung time zone na nakaset for this sub-account is Philippines. Tapos yung time zone na nilagay natin dun sa setup kanina is uh, US, di ba? CDT. So, yun yung naging conflict. Pero kung parehas sila, Coach, walang SMS confirmation yan, right? If gagawa ninyo ng kapag gagawa ninyo ng automation. Pero if you're talking about the A2P, yung kailangan ng A2P for us lang to create a demo, wala siyang SMS confirmation kasi kailangan ng A2P for that. Paano kaya pag may tumawag, tas sabihin, I want to talk to a real person? Okay, let's do that. So, tignan natin dun sa sa agent kung ano yung magiging. So if you want to to transfer to a real person, add ka ng action. Add action and then call transfer. So action name, call transfer to a real person / manager. Masyadong yan. Person, manager, or kailangan wala. Person, manager, owner. Ayan. Tapos, phone number na ita-transfer. Kanino natin siya ita-transfer? So, siguro, ano na lang, ito na lang, for now. Kasi hindi naman talaga natin mata-transfer, di ba? So, for now, yan lang muna para makita natin later. When should the call transfer takes place? If the user want to talk to a real person or would ask to talk to the manager or owner. And then what to say before transferring the call. And please wait before we transfer your call to ano ba? Once to your desired person. Ayan, okay na yan. Whisper message with call summary on transfer. Ayan, pwedeng whisper message. Para yung magre-receive nung call will know kung ano yung magiging context. Di ba? So, save natin to. So, ito na yung magiging call transfer. And then, that's it. So, ang gagawin natin, ititest natin siya ulit. So, +1, 608, 42, 04, 819. 608 42 04 819.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hey, you have reached Sunny Service. How can I help you today?
I want to book an appointment with you guys regarding with my plumbing issue in my toilet.
Got it. Let's get that sorted out for you. I see we have your email as jvrelumpago@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Is it okay if I can talk to your owner, to the business owner or the manager?
Okay. Please wait before we transfer your call to your desired person.
Okay. Ayan. So, nakasave yung phone number ko dito sa So, as you can see, merong nalabas, lead connector. Can you see that? So, nag-forward yung call.
Yes, coach. Yes, coach. We see.
Yan. Angas, no? Move natin. Decline.
All right now. Please leave a message after the beep.
That's all. Thank you. We're just doing testing. Okay. So ang nangyari doon, if hindi nare-receive yung call transfer, they will ask for a voicemail. Yung voicemail will be recorded dun sa conversation tab. So merong access, merong ano lahat. So matatransfer yung call dun sa desired person as well as, example, business owner, manager, kung sino man yon. So yun yung kagandahan. So that will, ang ganda, di ba? Okay. For the testing part, yun nga, I suggest to get, like, sabi nila kanina, sabi nila kanina, ang tawag nito, nag-work daw sa UAE or Globe na phone number. But if you want, one more number, you can get it dito sa Dingtone. Ayan, ito papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung Dingtone app. Well, wait, I'll remove the background. Background. Ayan, so ito yung Dingtone na app. Ayan, so yan yung Dingtone. So bibili kayo ng phone number dito sa Dingtone app. So search na lang. I think the phone number costs around $10. So $10 tapos credits. And ang phone number, get your phone number now. And kailangan siya i-download. So andito siya. This is one of the cheapest Or you can also buy a phone number sa lead connector. Yun nga, mag-ano siya. Kailangan yung iset siya ng maayos. I think $10. $10 dito sa Dingtone. Ang kagandahan sa kanya ay one time yung phone number, tapos yung calling, depende na sa usage. Ito yung usage, $9 per cent per minute. Tapos yung phone number, I think around $10 to $12 one-time payment. So that's Pang-outbound, hindi pa siya pwedeng pang-outbound sa rin eh. As of now, wala pa. Inbound pa lang, inbound calls pa lang lahat. Prepaid load, opo, prepaid load. Yes, Ma'am Malu. Yes po. Mas okay yung galing mismo kay JHL. Yes, oo. Okay lang din yung kay galing. Retail and Synflow. Synflow can also do at outbound. Hindi ka naririnig, Ma'am Malu, naka-off mic.
Tawag dito.
Ayan.
Okay, coach. Yung for example, pwedeng dalawang number yung bibilhin tapos yung isa gagamitin. Hindi siya pwede ganon. Hindi siya pwedeng like yung isa tatawagan mo.
Try natin.
Tapos yung isa yung isi-set up mo lang. Para lang makatest ka, parang ganon.
Oo, sige, try natin if possible siya. Yun ang ba? Yan yung parang, sige, bili na lang tayo ng phone number. Yan, bili tayo ng phone number. Yan. Ito na lang, ayan, sa voice call. Ito, 177. Yan, hindi natin kailangan i-register ng A2P. So, JV, phone number. Yan yung gagamitin natin for my staff. Punta kayo sa my staff, make sure na i-assign. Mobile. Tapos, assign. Ayun. And then, balik kayo sa phone number. Make sure na walang forwarding. Ayan, walang forwarding call and then the ring incoming calls to JBN. Okay na yan. So that's it. Test natin. Same sub-account, dalawang phone number, and let's do testing. So that's the AI breakthrough. na sub-account. And then, tatawag tayo. So, dialer, +1, 1-608-420-4819. 4819. So, ayan. Actually, pwede. Pwede. Okay, that's ayan. So, pwede siya. Ayan, very, very nice, ano. Bili kayo ng dalawang phone number. Ang isa, set up ninyo sa phone. Download the Lead Connector mobile app, like this one. Ayan, as you can see, Lead Connector mobile app. And then, yan yung gagamitin ninyo to call. Yan yung gagamitin ninyo to call the AI, voice AI number na binili ninyo, na sinet up ninyo. So, pwedeng dalawa para $1 na lang. Pero after testing, kindly delete. Delete nyo tong phone number na to kasi monthly. Kahit $1 lang siya, monthly yun i-charge. $1.15. Monthly i-charge. So, kung gusto niyo, i-keep niyo lang tong isang phone number para yan yung magiging demo number ninyo. Tapos ito is yung testing number. So, pwede siyang ganun. Alright? Wag na lang mag-dingtone pala, guys. Very, very nice, from Mama Lu. So, wag na kayo mag-dingtone. Bibili na lang kayo ng dalawang phone number. Alright? Thank you, Mama Lu, for that. Ang ganda ang ganda ng suggestion ninyo. Kahit ako, ngayon ko lang nalaman, pwede pala. So, kahit isang sub-account, dalawang phone number, isa nakaset up sa voice AI, isa is for testing. Copy? Copy ba? Copy?
Copy, coach.
Copy. 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 Ayun. Alright. So, question. So, after this, pwede pa kayong mag-create, mag-set up ng mga nung mga automation. So, automation, yan. So, yung automation, integration, tingnan natin, meron bang recipe for AI? So, depende na lang kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin after the call. Gusto nyo in-nurture, nurturing sequence through email, SMS, pwede. So, depende kung ano yung gusto nyong mangyari after the call. So, the workflow part, broad na siya. Depende na talaga siya sa case-by-case basis. So, that's the automation. Now, would you like to know how much can you price the AI services na diniscuss natin? Gusto niyo bang malaman? Yung AI services na diniscuss natin, gusto mong malaman kung magkano yung mapaprice nyo doon? Okay. Alright. Wait lang. Yes. Siyempre na. Gamit na si Angie. Siyempre naman. Alangan, di ba? Siyempre. Okay. Wait lang. Hinahanap ko lang yung slide ko. Not this one. Wait lang, guys. Saan ba yun? Ayun, ito na. Ayan. So, this is the pricing. Okay. Humidity kumukulang. Alright, for pricing sa AI chatbot AI, setup fee, iba yung setup fee, iba yung monthly recurring for subscription and recurring service, retainer. Oo. So, 500, minimum. Minimum nyo na yung 500, guys. Basta ang gagawin niyo, ito yung technique, guys, ah. Kapag i-demo nyo yung chatbot or yung voice AI, wag yung ipakita yung backend. Wag yung ipakita yung backend. Ang ipakita nyo na sa kanila is yung result, yung testing na mismo. Wag nyo ipakita, ay ganito siya siniset up, dito nilalagay yung prompt. Wag nyo ipakita yun, nako po. Kasi para isipin nilang, ay dali lang naman yan, bakit 500, di ba? Babalik yun sa'yo. So wag mong ipakita, no? Ipakita yung part na yun. Dapat wala silang idea paano siya sinet up sa backend. Kahit magtatanong na lang sila, pwede bang ganito? Pwede bang ganyan? So yan, okay yan na conversation. Pero in terms of, can you show me how you set up that? So pwede mo siyang sabihan na, um, pwede mo sabihan na ano, paano bang siyang sabihin? Pag tinatanong kang, can you show me how to, well, medyo off siya na ano kasi hindi ka naman consultant, ikaw naman yung expert na nagbebenta nung sorry I can't. Ayan, magaling. So, setup fee will be 500 to 1,000. So that's for 1 to 2 chatbot goals. And then if client doesn't have the sub account, kung wala silang sub account, dito na papasok yung pagiging SaaSpreneurs ninyo, right? So dito na papasok na bebentahan nyo sila ng sub-account. So that would be 297 per month. Bakit siya 297, coach? 97 lang naman kay Go High Level. So 297 because meron tayong add-on. Done for you kasi siya. So wala na silang gagawin sa end nila. So setup fee and then setup fee na for example 500 plus $200, 197 or 297 na per month including the 5 to 10 hours na rendered time or consumable time. Tapos etong 5 to 10 hours, ang inclusion niyan, bot monitoring, prompt updates, troubleshooting, and improvements. So dyan lang siya iikot. Okay ba coach kung funnel, isasali namin yung funnel sa 5 to 10 hours? Hindi. Additional project na yun. Ibang project na yun. Yung funnel. So, yan yung, ano, so if ever, iba, funnel plus chatbot. So, ibang pricing na yun. Ito yung voice AI naman. So, for voice AI, as you can see kanina, yun yung mas madaling i-set up. Mas madaling i-set up, mas madaling i-test. So, 300 to 800 USD for 1 to 2 voice bot goals. Ano yung bot goals? Kanina, general inquiries and the appointment booking, call transfer. So 1 to 2 voice bot goals, that is 300 to 800 USD. So it could be call answering, lead capture, appointment scheduling. So if wala silang sub-account, so 297 plus the sub-account. And also the 10 hours na, 5 to 10 hours na voice QA testing, script, prompt, adjustment, and review, as well as the performance tracking. Yung performance tracking, di ba? Kung andito ka kay Voice AI, meron siyang analytics. Wait lang, balik tayo dun sa Voice AI. Voice. So meron siyang, ayan, dashboard. So ito yung papakita mo sa kanila. Ito yung papakita mo sa kanila. Alright? And transfer to a real person, action triggered summary, as well as, ayan, pwede mo i-click si Siri, and then, itong dashboard logs. Ayan. So, ito yung ipapakita. Pwede mo itong screenshot. Hindi pa siya nasa-save. Hindi pa siya nasa-save as of now. So, pwede mo itong screenshot. And ito yung magiging reporting mo for them. Importante ito. Ito, action triggered sentiments, and then call duration, and then yung actions na nagawa. For example, ito, actions triggered. So, yung mga bagay na yan. Yung transcript. Makikita mo pa yung transcript. Yan. Yun. Gets ba? Gets? Better gumawa ng special landing page for the demo and flexing its benefit. All right. Since na-mention ni Sir Randy na gumawa ng demo ng landing page, before we proceed with that, I have a special gift for everyone na andito. Ilan ba tayo na andito? 44. So meron akong special gift aside from this one. Copy natin to. So this is the high level. And high level voice AI prompt builder. Ayan, so voice AI prompt. Can you pin that one, copy paste, lalagay natin sa basta. And then here we have our proposal, GPT ng proposal builder natin. So, lalagay natin dito, create a detailed pricing for a chatbot project with chatbot project. For example, ayan. Wah, galing talaga. Congratulations, bro. Solid. Solid talaga, Master JC. Lodi talaga to. Meron na tayong special session yan, guys, with Master JC. Screenshot ulit. So, ito, detailed, tatanong, type of chatbot, lead generation, customer support, appointment booking, platform, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SNS, Go High Level, workflow, or chat widget. Diba? Website. Tapos, functionality, specific features like conditional logic, CRM integration, tagging, volume and scope, deliverables, engagement. So, try natin to respond lahat. So, number 1, appointment booking. Number 2, website. Number 3, functionality, automated email confirmation, reminder. And then 4, how many distinct conversation flow? 1 to 2 bot goals. And then 5, deliverables. Deliverables is the chatbot 10 hours per month. Managing, testing, and improving the bot. And then 6, engagement model. 1, set up fee plus monthly retainer. Ayan. So as you can see here, ang kagandahan nitong proposal builder natin, ayan, mag-create siya ng proposal and then the pricing involved for the proposal. Tignan nyo kung gaano ka-detailed yung scope of work. 'Di ba? Kung gaano siya detalyado. And then monthly retainer as well. And then the pricing. Ayan, chatbot plus integration, 1,200. Retainer, 750 per month. Or pwede nyo isali yung SaaS. Timeline is also included. Terms and condition is also included. So, ito na yung ika-copy-paste mo. Ilalagay mo siya kay Go High Level. Ilalagay mo dito kay Go High Level, Documents, and Contracts. Ayan. Lalagay mo siya dito. Para ito yung isi-send mo na document, na proposal dun sa potential client. Now, coach, what if gusto ko sila sendan ng contract? If okay na sila, sendan ko sila ng contract. So, gawin mo dyan, please create a contract for this project. The client business name is Sunny Service. Ayan. So, service agreement, scope of service, very important. And then timeline, fees, payment terms, revision support, terms and termination, ownership, confidentiality, legal liability, signatures. How good is that, di ba? Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kabilis. So, before, kailangan nyo pa gumawa ng template for contracts, proposal. Ngayon, with just few gusto nyo ba to? Ayaw nyo ata. Sige, wag na lang. Gusto nyo ba to? Ay, ayaw daw eh. Gusto nyo ba to? Tapon na lang natin to. Ayaw nyo, tatapon natin to. Save na. Ayan, so proposal builder natin. Can you save that one? Proposal builder. So, solid din to guys. Maganda din to. Na-charge ko pa higher. Tingnan natin bro. Copy-paste ko yung ano mo ha. Kung 1.5 lang ba, sabihan na, reload natin to. So, kahit Tagalog, try natin Tagalog. DC ko last night, inintroduce ko ang AI employee at Synflow, tas pinakita backend. Ayun, na mga features ni Synflow. Magkano ipa-price ko for this project? Ayan. Complexity daw, master. Complexity. API integration and the chatbot plus voice AI. Number 2, goals ng chatbot, appointment, and FAQs. Number 3, Synflow platform usage. Ano ba yung platform usage dito, master? Bang lalagay? Blank na lang siguro yan. Blank na lang. Number 4, ongoing optimization retainer. 5 to 10 hours per month. And then, add-ons. Add-ons is post, service, video, recording. Ano yung block? May block. Ano yung may blocks? Ayan, scope of work. Pricing master, 2K. Ito master.
Pumayag na ako sa 1.5 kasi may possible profit sharing.
Oo, profit sharing, no?
All goods na yun.
Bakit siya
Actually,
merong
from
block?
scratch to. From scratch to master.
Wow, nice master. From scratch, no? Ay,
yung agency niya, sub-account.
Ayan, may block pa ba?
Wala na.
Alright. So, ito, 2K. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, Synflow, chatbot, wala nang chatbot.
Merong isa.
Chatbot plus Synflow yung voice. Okay, nice. Okay na yan, bro. Di ba? Pang ano pa lang yan eh, pampagana lang. Pampagana mo lang yan. Marami pang project na kagaya ng ipapasok sa'yo. Alright. So, eto, kompleto na tayo. Tapos, tinanong ni Coach, eto guys, kompletong rekado na to sa mga tatapos nung AI challenge natin. Kompletong rekado na. Tinanong kanina o sinabi kanina ni Sir Randy, so better gumawa ng landing page for the demo and flexing its benefit. Coach, gusto namin gumawa ng landing page. What if I tell you na pwede tayong gumawa ng landing page with just one prompt? Ano yung one prompt na yan, Coach? Punta tayo sa Lovable. One of the two tools I fall in love with. Naks naman. One of the two tools na sobrang solid. So, Lovable. So, sabihan mo dito sa Lovable, I want to create a sales page for my chat bot and voice AI services as a Go high-level expert. Make the branding and colors gradient, dark gradient with purple. Ayan si Coach G. Purple highlights. Yan. So, tapos, enter mo lang yan. So, login muna tayo. This is free. Free siya up to I think 5 na landing page. O, di ba? Sana may rekta. Pero wala pa. As of now, wala pang rekta. So, try later. At it. So, enter natin yan. And, yan. So, just few prompt. Dalawang sentence. And you can see here kung gaano kabilis ginawa yung, wait lang. And di ba, up to 5 credits per day na libre. So wait lang natin to, lalabas to, ayan. Sana pag inimbento na yung one-click import tool, di ba? Sana meron ng ganun sa JHL.
Share ko, Master, yung binuild kong demo page for our voice AI dun sa OC client ko.
Sige, bro.
Simple lang siya, as in pang demo lang.
Ayan, demo din. Experience, ayun, ano lang, di ba? Lead form for booking. Meron din akong ginamit before eh. Like natin ito. Wala. Advance. Try na natin. Ito, meron ako ginamit before. Pero hindi to hindi pa siya tapos. Yan. Actually, ang importanteng part nito guys, basta ma-schedule nyo lang yung call. Kapag ma-schedule nyo na yung call, ang magiging ano na lang yun, nun is yung paano nyo i-present. Yun na yung deciding factor. Wait lang. Balik tayo. Wala. Hindi siya hindi siya uh, act as a world-class funnel designer, funnel builder. Create a sales page for chatbot, wait lang, chatbot and voice AI services in Go high level. And business name is JV Bots. And the colors should be gradient, the dark gradient, and with purple highlights. Yan. Let's say for example, ano ba to? Our goal for this page is to generate leads and appointments for a bot demo. Yan. Let's say that's our prompt. Ayan, okay na to. Ito na. Working na siya. So, let's wait for a few minutes. And ito yung reason bakit isa to sa pinaka-paborito kong AI. Aside from this one, Gamma, paborito ko din to. Sobrang bilis lang nung paggawa namin ng presentation. Yan, yung 30 days client sprint na presentation. Sobrang bilis ko lang yung tinapos.
Vibe coding. Si Lovable.
Oo. Ano to? Gastin San. Ay, link ni Gastin. AI funnels. AI funnels.ai. Tingnan natin. AI funnels.ai. Ah. Oh. Sinasabi niyang AI funnels pero hindi siya ano talaga ano. Parang template siya. Tagal naman. Tagal naman yan. Pero wait lang natin kasi alam naman natin mas mahirap kung gawin to from scratch eh. Kahit nga template, aabot ng more or less 3 to 4 hours eh. Di ba? 3 to 5 hours. Lalo na pag custom design, abot ng ilang araw. Ito, hintayin na lang natin, minuto lang yan. Yan. Okay. 2 minutes ago and 2 minutes pa siya, working pa. Tayin lang natin if meron kayong question, kindly drop para hindi tayo hindi tayo nga dito. Kapag meron tong ang ano kasi, gusto nila na sa Lovable mismo i-host yung website. Gusto nila sa Lovable, instead of WordPress, Lovable i-host yung website. So, tingin ko, medyo malabo. Medyo malabo yung ano yan, yung gusto ninyong one click. Yun, naks naman. Oh, bakit saan sa successful? Ay, ayan na. Ayan na, ting-ning. Ting-ning. Ay, try to fix. Naglolo ko tong Lovable ah. Ayan, live preview, ayan na. Ayun. As you can see, ayan, JV Bots, AI lead generation, turn website visitors into paying customers. AI chatbot, voice assistance 24/7. Meron pang guaranteed, meron pang ayan, ROI, 3x ROI. Get free demo and benefit, pros and cons, problem solution. Why choose JV bots? And then, ayan, meron pang mga CSS na pwede nyong sundan sa JHL. Complete AI business solution, real resort testimonials, pricing, $297 per month, guarantee, ready to 10x, booking form. Lead form that can book, pwedeng go to the next step for last call to action. How good is that? Di ba? Di ba sobrang solid nung ano. Pakita ko sa inyo para ma-open ninyo. Ayan, click nyo yan, yung link sa chat. Kung gaano siya ka-solid. Ayun no, book a call. Ito, Coach G. Branding mo to, Coach G. Kulang lang nung ano, pink. Ganda, di ba? Premium looking. Tapos ano siya, more on parehas ng mga ano, ng mga design with apps, software theme, mga gradient, mga ganon. And I have one more. Ito pa, isa pa. Meron pa akong ipapakita. Nagawa ko before.
May edit mo ba yun, Master?
May edit to, bro. Na-edit yun. Saan ba yung workspace ko? Team, community. Dito pala sa baba. Ayan, ito pala. Yan mga nagawa ko before. Solid din to, guys. Need ba hosting? Hindi na. Hindi na kailangan ng hosting. This one, guys. Maganda din to. Ayan. So, white naman. Ayan. Transform your business with AI automation. Conversation AI, voice AI. Ayan. So, pros and cons, benefit. Then, success stories, case studies, if ever gusto mo ng case studies. And then, book session. So, kapag i-edit mo siya, hindi na siya kailangan. Ayan, hindi na siya na kailangan edit. Asan ba yung edit dito? Ayan, edit. Ay, wait. Dito pala. Ayan, oh. Click nyo lang siya directly. Click nyo lang. Ayan, quick edit. So, pwede nyo siyang ma-edit. Tsaka, eto guys, since ilalagay natin sa Go High level, yung mga ano natin, ilalagay natin to sa Go High level. Technically, ito lang yung wireframe. Wireframe design lang to. Hindi talaga to yung magiging website. Kasi, kagaya nito, booking calendar. So, i-replace natin to nung JHL na booking calendar. 'Di ba? Pero lahat ng to, pwedeng gawin sa JHL. Definitely. So, magiging ano nyo lang, wireframe nyo lang to. Tapos meron pa tapos phone. Naka-mobile optimize na. See? Yan. Solid, di ba? Di ka na mag-Figma. Yes, definitely di na mag-Figma dyan. Tapos pwede mo pang ma-edit. Tapos, aside from Figma, hindi nasasakit yung utak mo sa copy. Ang ganda ng copy. Maganda yung copy nito. Hindi siya yung copy na medyo di ba? Maganda yung copy niya, to be honest. Mayroong mga guarantee, mayroong mga percentage. O instant copywriter ka na din.
Paid yung account mo, Coach?
Free lang po to. Up to 5 per day. 5 credits per day. So kanina na nagastos natin yung 1 credit. So kung gusto mong mag-edit dun sa website, it will cost I think more credits pa. Pero it's already enough kung hindi naman ganun kadami. Free lang to. So kung gusto niyo mag-sign up, sign up kayo gamit yung sign up kayo gamit yung link ko para madadagdagan yung credits ko. Wala naman yung bayad. Wala naman yung bayad, guys. 'Di ba? Solid na din. Tsaka ito yung meron din akong ginawa last na lang, guys. One more revamp ni Funnel Genie. Pero hindi siya ganoon ka super super nice, pero pwede na din compared sa current na outdated. Ito yung sa Funnel Genie. Yan. Sobrang lang heavy nung gradient blue niya. Pero pwede na din. Ayan, 'di ba? So yung wireframe niya, yung design niya, madali na lang to. Mas gusto ko pa nga yung development part kaysa kay design part kay JHL. Kasi hindi naman ako designer by heart. Parang gusto ko yung design pero kung meron na akong makitang magandang design, ide-develop ko na lang. Yun yung mas gusto ko. Mas mabilis pa yung dyan, di ba? Yung process ko niyan. So, and gawa na kayo nung ninyo, sales page for voice AI and then mag-demo call na. Gawa kayo ng mga demo ninyo. So we will announce our requirement for the chatbot, voice AI, or even closebot na certificate and badge. So ila-launch natin yan by the end of siguro mga 2 weeks from now yung mga requirements natin. But I think we're all done with our topics about AI inside JHL. So, meron lang ako idagdag pero may recordings na. So, brilyante. Meron na tayong another badge and another certificate for AI experts. Let's go, AI experts. Angas, no? So, meron na tayong AI experts. And if okay si JC, bro, sige na lang, after call na lang, guys. Mag-uusap kami, master. So, I think that's it. So, yung ginawa nating voice AI kanina, pwede natin yung i-offer sa kanila. Pwede natin to i-offer sa kanila. Angas, no? So, ayun. Synflow, no? Baka naman, Synflow. Master Synflow. Master JC. Pabulong ng Synflow.
Now na, 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Okay.
Mabilisan.
Mabilisan lang. Next time, bro, dapat isang session. So ayan, guys. I think that's it. For now, that's it with our discussions.